with more Sushi Cat. Boingy, boingy. Popalooza, what's that? Pop balloons over sushi. Okay. Yay! I got the golden thing. Oh my god, I'm fat. Do 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 do. Do 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 This is actually really cool music. I need to get more sushi. I failed you. I'm still hungry. I failed you. No, I failed you, cat. Do 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 This is really, I'm just doing the music. No! Why? Final cat, okay. No. Well, let's just count. Yay, Super Spencer. So, she just wants to play Minecraft. Whoa, that's not even, how big is this map? Whoa, this might take me a while. Whoa. Change outfit. What's the outfit? Oh my god. I love it. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that beautiful thing. That's just... Woohoo! Oh, what? I can't believe there's elephants. There's elephants. Elephants. Whee! Popalooza. I know what to do. Do 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 do. Should I get all the buttons soon? Oh, I nearly got a full stomach in one go. I nearly got the full stomach in one go. Do 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 do. I'm just singing along to the music for this whole thing. But yeah, this is part 2, by the way. Plus 1 bonus sushi. Do do. Woo! I got one left. One left. Let's try and get it. No! No! I was so close. I was right there. No! You'll probably hear my mouse around. Probably hear that. Yeah, I don't want to leave. Oh my god, I can be a tomato. I can be a tomato. A tomato. I can be a tomato. I'm a tomato. Who would not want to be a tomato? Well, I really wouldn't actually, because I'm not a big fan of tomatoes. Do 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 Okay, I just want to talk about, if you have any ideas for videos, you can say, or if you manage to spot me, if you are one of my friends and you watch my videos every day, I at least have one person watch my video, because on every one of my videos I have at least one view. Because people see my channel. My channel is the top channel to come up. If you search for my villain. Now, because it used to not be public. Dude, oh, I did terrible. I did absolutely terrible. Do 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 do. That balloon thing's really hard. Oh, I'm doing terrible. Got another 14 sushi. Yeah, that wasn't very good, was it? These levels are starting to get a bit harder. There we go. 6, 5 sushi. Okay, I could do this. 2 cats, 5 sushi. I'm a tomato. Why don't you eat yourself? You're a tomato. Do, 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 do. Come on. No! I really can't do this. Let's find another game. Let's go on further and see if we can find anything to play, shall we? What should we play? Where's the game? I always do this. I played that. And I didn't like it. It always went going to be for the video and I didn't like it. What's this? Sim Taxi. Oh. Let's go for Sim Taxi. That sounds weird. Here's that. What's it? Okay. Oh. What? Oh. Turn it down. Turn it down. So. Game, let's play. Start the engine, okay. Oh, so. Oh. Come on. What are you doing? I don't get this game. What do you have to do? Do you fellas want to ride? Does anyone want to ride? Oh, let's go to. Okay, let's go. I've got someone in my car. Where do you want to go? I don't know where he wants to go. And then escape from police car. What? What do I have to escape from the police car? What happens if I get caught by them? I'm just gonna stop. That was weird. I just stopped. Okay, that was a bit weird. I think I might need to end the video. I don't know. What happens if I run out of money? Let's run out unless I... Yeah? Really? Again? Off you go. I don't get this game. Ooh, is that only the Boo? Or Dylan?
Daryl's really bad.
I'm just ready to play Dylan. Nothing come after this video here. I have nothing to do. Now see if I can find any other games and we'll next video because I am not gonna have, but I'm not enjoying Sushi Cat. So I guess this is the end of this video here, and I'll see you all later. Bye.